class of species who has both the mental and the physical capacity of analyzing and understanding things. They both kind and vicious in nature and can either damage or build a beautiful harmonious congruency between people and places alike. Today's video discusses there are 4 types of humans on earth. Which one of them is you? Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Per Melanie Palmer Hall, the human can be broadly divided into a category of 4 that defines them to their core and work here. Here's in details the 4 classes. Number 1. Workers. Workers have a body that of prisoner almost. They are also considered as the lowest form of human being, not create a hierarchy, but for a fact that well on you're simply for physical gratifications. Their idea of heaven is a place where there is good, feasting and little or no work. Number 2. Thinkers. The second division of the class is that of the thinkers. These are the artisans who have both the physical and mental capacity to treat this world with a balanced mindset. They buy, sell, and exchange in terms of social conditioning. These are also the people who bend towards the religious side and are most often than not dependent on other people to contact with the divine, not paying close attention to their inner self. Number 3. Scientists. These are the kind of human beings who wage war on the cause. Provided with the scientific instrument and thinking capability, they could be either a believer or an agnostic. There is no in-between. Science and technology has been won a cold war since their time of invention, and therefore it is quite hard to decide who is on the winning side because more or less there is no stunning solutions to this problem. The miracles of theology are incapable of chemical analysis and are consequently taken with a hint of soreness in the scientific world. Number 4. Creators. The fourth and the highest group of human species comprises data of the creator, musicians, poets, writers, philosophers, artists. They live in their own abstract mental world. Their vision and understanding are unusual, misunderstood, or completely annihilated by the above-mentioned classes. Creatures are spiritually evolved and are highly awakened. Their power of perception is beyond human understanding. They dare to follow their heart and are dedicated to making their world a beautiful place. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.